Hi, this is Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. A slow leaking toilet doesn't make much noise, but it wastes hundreds of gallons of water a year. Stay tuned and we'll take care of that leak right after this.
Need a proven go-to solution for your next tile project? Use what the pros use. Prism Ultimate Performance Cement Grout by Custom Building Products is ideal for virtually any tiling project. It offers consistent color without any modeling or shading. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to use and spread. Not only that, it's highly stain resistant, sets in just a few hours, and is available in 40 colors. Find it at the Home Depot. Prism Grout from Custom Building Products. We know grout. Count on Custom.
You just might have a toilet with a slow leak and not even know it, but that leak is costing you extra money on your water bills and wasting a valuable resource. To check your toilet, lift the tank lid and add a few drops of food coloring to the water. After an hour, if the color has seeped into the bowl, you know you have a leak. The cause is probably in the flapper valve or the valve opening that empties water from the tank into the bowl. Check for cracks in the flapper or debris around the valve opening to ensure there's a tight seal there. If cleaning the valve seat and flapper doesn't stop the leak, pick up a replacement kit for a few dollars. It's a lot less expensive than the water that's being wasted. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.